Good day, everyone. Good day, ma'am. I am Rick Aban Pisifuentes, and this is the continuation of the report about learning oriented assessment of grammatical ability. So here are the key points of this topic. Number one, focus on learning. The primary goal is to foster learning and improvement rather than just measuring student performance. So it's all about helping you get better at grammar, not just checking if you know it. So this means that the goal is for improvement. So the second key point is dual focus. This approach considers both grammar testing and instructed learning, looking at what students know and can do with grammar. So this approach looks at what you know and how you use it in grammar. It considers both testing and learning. So it's all about knowledge and how to use it, or it is how using it in a sentence. So let's move on to the third key points, the task variety. It uses a range of task types: selected response, limited production, complex production, to assess the grammar skills. So it uses different types of tasks like multiple choice, writing, and speaking to see what you can do in grammar. So it's not just one way of checking it. Let's move on to the fourth key points. The integral to instruction. Learning oriented assessment is part of the learning process, happening formally or informally at any stage. So this assessment is a part of how you learn. It happens anytime in class to help you improve. It's part of the learning process. Now let's go to the final key points, the fifth key points, of course. The feedback loop. Feedback from assessments informs subsequent learning and assessment, aiming for mastery. So feedback from assessments helps you improve next time, aiming for you to master the grammar. So it helps you get better step by step. So that would be all. Thank you.